Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Lawrence Edward G. Tangan, and I'm here to interview some business students, and she's Ma'am Hani and Sir June. Good morning po. I'm Lawrence Edward G. Tangan from the Penturay, and I'm with Ma'am. So, Ma'am, here's the first question. How do learning disabilities affects a child's education?
Merong mga bata na alam naman natin na sa pagdating ng grade 3, grade 4, parang hirap pa rin magbasa or magsulat. And even yung sa math, di ba? Merong mga bata na hindi pa rin nakakapag-add or subtraction. And yung mga learning disabilities such as yung mga dysgraphia, na ayun yung nakaka-apekto sa bata kung paano sila magsulat. While yung dyslexia naman, hirap sila sa pagbabasa. And yung dyscalculia, ito yung nakaka-apekto sa bata na hirap silang i-grasp yung learning when it comes to mathematics. So, ito yung mga learning disabilities na nakaka-apektuhan ng bata when it comes to education.
Ma'am, yung second question for is, what challenges do students with disabilities face in school?
So, yung mga challenges na is madami. Unang-una na dyan yung learning, and yung second is, alam naman natin, is yung discrimination. Hindi naman nawawala, kumbaga nagpe-prevent lang yung ganong situation. So, ayun yung mga challenges nararanasan ng bata kapag pumapasok sila sa school.
Thank you po, ma'am. Good morning, I'm Lawrence Edward G. Tangan from the Penturay, and I'm with Sir Jun. So first question po is, what are the different types of disabilities that students may have?
So the different types of disabilities that students may have may vary from their environment. Meron tayong tinatawag na sensory disabilities, physical disabilities, intellectual disabilities, kung saan lahat yan is naapektuhan yung learning ng bata, and doon nahihinder yung progress nila and yung academic progress nila kapag nasa school na sila. And example ng intellectual disabilities is pwede silang magkaroon ng Down syndrome, autism spectrum disorder, and physical disabilities may include Asperger syndrome, yung kung saan nalilimit yung day-to-day activities na pwedeng gawin ng bata sa gaya ng nagagawa ng isang normal na tao.
Thank you po. So next question po is, why is early intervention important for children with special needs?
So early intervention is a must for person or children with special needs, since doon matatrack natin kung ano pa yung pwede nating magawa para malimit or hindi masyadong maapektuhan yung learning ng isang student with special needs. And through intervention is malalaman natin kung ano ba yung strengths, weaknesses, and ano pa yung pwede natin i-improve sa condition ng isang student with special needs.
Thank you po, sir.